Hey, this pussy ass nigga come up to me the other day, you know what I'm saying? Talking about, say, Bum B, you gonna rep for PA on this album? I say, you bitch ass nigga, I am PA. Who the fuck is you?
What's up, guys? Back at it, man. Week that went by. Today's Friday. Got out of work about 6 o'clock. Wasn't feeling like it, but trying to get this car going by the weekend. So I just pulled out the camera. I already wired up the LEDs. I just got to install the toggle switch. I'll take y'all over here and show y'all what I've done thus far. While y'all looking at me walk right now, y'all can go on Hotbase 601, Shopify.com. The link will be in the bottom of the description. And y'all go ahead and cop y'all a t-shirt, man. I don't know what y'all waiting on. Like, if y'all rolling with me and rocking with me, it takes this long for y'all to go ahead and order some merch. I mean, like, come on. Like, I remember when guys used to be like, when you gonna get some more merch? When you gonna get some more merch? Now I got merch, and I can't get, like, none of y'all YouTubers to go ahead and cop one for me. I mean, I appreciate all y'all guys that already got a shirt, but the ones that have not got one, like, what's up, man? Like, what y'all waiting on to go ahead and get a shirt from me? Go ahead and help support me, man, because it takes time and effort to bring y'all any type of footage, especially these kinds, like when I have to, like, install stuff and then go back and, like, show y'all what I'm doing. And, man, I know a lot of y'all guys actually be, you know, tuning in to learn and also tuning in to see what new equipment that you all can cop. I'm aware of that, but at the same time, I mean, show me some type of support, you know what I'm saying, by at least ordering a t-shirt for me. I got 20,000 followers right now, and I'm getting close to, like, my 700 video. I think I'm at like 692 or 93 videos. I might have more than that, but you all go check that. So I'm almost at 700 videos and like 20,000 subscribers. And, like, I mean, let's just do the math. Like, I should be, like, done sold out of shirts right now. I mean, real talk, real talk. And I meant to hit y'all with it last time, but, like, I was more just concentrated on getting this car up to par and going. So with that being said, y'all go on and support your boy Hotbase 601. This is an old Hotbase 601T. I work in my shirts, and because they real thin and they comfortable. So go ahead and cop your t-shirt. The link will be in the bottom of the description. I accept PayPal and regular debit cards. If you don't have neither, I mean, I can take Cash App too. I mean, either way. But anyway, let me show you what I got going. So, only thing I gotta do now, here's the 2 wires that I'm gonna actually install for the toggle switch. Now, here's his 2 toggle switches already in the car for his 12s and his 10s to cut them on and off. So, right here is where the 2 wires are. That's gonna go into the toggle switch. Here's a wire right here in my hand, and there's one right here. So I'm just gonna touch it. Y'all see that? Okay, I'm gonna touch it again, and then I'm gonna take the camera up and let y'all see when the lights come on. So the only thing I gotta do is put some little connectors on this. Let's see, yeah. Just wanna touch it. All right, y'all see that? And the light right there is on. So my plan is to put some ends on here. I'm going to drill a hole like right there, and I'm gonna put the other switch on top so he can control his lights from right there. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the results of it. Hey guys, we got it in here. This is it right here. So that concludes that right there. Didn't take long. Only thing is, I might have to go back and try to see can I get this on there. So I didn't have a whole lot of screw poking out because the position this is in. So I barely got this screw on, this little screw on there. But I got it to where everything down is on. Everything down is on. Up is off. I mean, it could have been done different, but at least everything is going the same way. On, off, off, off. And to be honest with you guys, I actually put push buttons in my F-150. When I put toggle switches in it, I put push buttons. But at the time when I did these for him, I really wasn't familiar with the push button ones. Well, I really wasn't familiar with being able to get them, but I can get them. My local shop down the road has them. But I said when I actually upgrade some other stuff, I might change to the push button. But as of now, these will work. Let's do it again, guys. So these for the 10s and for the 12s. Off. All right, on to the next. Okay, guys, when I said on to the next, here's the next project right here. Okay, so this seat blocks the port. So I was looking at it earlier, a couple mornings ago, and I was gonna actually cut the seat here, but I was gonna cut it and take the padding out of it and just leave the fabric. I was gonna take my cutting tool, I was gonna cut here, and I was gonna cut here, and cut the cushion out to minimize the seat so the port area have room to breathe. So I got to looking at it and I said, well, maybe the armrest, you see how wide this armrest is. So I'm just gonna remove the armrest. He'll just have to be without an armrest. And I got the seat flipped up, trying to figure out how to take the armrest off. And there's a bolt here, and 2 more bolts under there, which will take this whole assembly off. So that should be enough room for that port to be able to breathe between the seats. If not, we'll go to the first option of, and I think that's gonna work because the length of this, the bottom part ain't gonna matter. We just need this armrest part to move so the port can have room to actually breathe. So we're gonna disassemble this, and we might test fit the seat in the car after we get this off just to make sure it's gonna do what we need to do. And we'll cut you back on. Success, guys. A success. I just gotta plug the seat back up to the harness so I can adjust it. But the main thing I was trying to do is free up that port. I accomplished that. Took the headrest off. Allowed the speaker to be exposed a tad bit more. He said the passenger side seat wasn't a problem, so we were just able to remove the armrest, and the port is actually free. So now we can change the port when we need to, because when I do the video, I kind of want to try both ports to see which one actually sound better with the resonant frequency of the cabin. You know, who knows, the lower tuning port might do better. So note, I'm going to say this, which is a very bad situation for my little cousin, but like I said, trial and error. We have one more drastic measure to tackle, and it's going to be those doors. So when his doors was done, his installer basically didn't really leave him an option to have, you know, to let his windows down. So we won't really be able to get a windy demo because the windows won't let down. So the whole entire time he had 218s and 215s, he never really saw the full potential of this car because he couldn't ride with his windows down. Let's just say that. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Lesson learned. So he got another brick from what he tells me. He's gonna start over and take the doors off the other car and put on here and probably get his doors redone. And to a point where he can let his windows down to see what this setup really does. So, but when we play it, I'm gonna play it with probably the driver door, with the passenger door closed and that door open. And then I'm gonna play it with both doors open just to kind of see. But this is what I was trying to accomplish. That's done. The next thing will be is for me to tune the amps out. Hey guys, it is pitch black, and we finna get some LED Snow White candy, eye candy, in the dark. I was in the house. I thought about it. Let me come out and see what it looks like in pitch dark. Jesus. That was bright, guys. That was bright. That was super bright. Shining good all out of the car. Right. See how I look through the windshield. Oh yeah. What's up, guys? Coming back at you Saturday morning, man. I skipped my gym workout just to finish this car up. So we out here finna tune it out. I got my voltage meter and I got my SMD. We finna clean all three of these amps up, and hopefully after that, we can bring y'all some bass. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we finished. We got it done. Got it all tuned out. So it is Saturday. Not sure if I'm gonna take the car out today or I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. So thing is, probably wait till tomorrow because, which will be Sunday. He's got to bring the other port. So when I take the car out, I want to be able to change both ports out and just see what sounds best. But as of right now, what I heard, it's picking up some lows pretty good with the port that's in there. So I can imagine with the lower tuning port, it might be a beast. So everything's in and we're ready to go. We're ready to go. I see that seat worked out fine right there for clearing the port. So I can hit the controls on the seat. Let me do this real quick while I got y'all on camera. I kind of want to let the seat all the way up just to see if we have room to clear the port. Once we take the port out, look like we will be. Then he'll have room to blow the seat down to the back. See here. I just kind of want to see if the port gonna clear. Yeah, I got plenty of room to get that port out. Plenty of room to get that port out. So once we get to my little spot tomorrow, I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow. I'm just gonna call him and tell him wait till tomorrow because I'm tired, man. I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow and we'll, cause I already know if we go out today, we're gonna be late this afternoon. and I don't want to be dealing with this car late this afternoon. I want to be able to rest. So tomorrow we'll start messing with it and see how this port sound. Then we'll take this port out, then we'll put the other one in and see which one sounds the best. I want to say I'm going to tell him to leave the lower tuning port in and play lows for a few months just to get the subs broke in, because the sub's going to move better with that lower tuning port. And then if he want to change back to this one, we will put this one back in. But at least right now we can access the port. But another thing is, he will have to take this seat out. He probably won't have to, but it'll make it easier to take this seat out every time he change the port. I would take this side out, most definitely. And I probably wouldn't bolt it down. I'd probably just sit this one in. I'm sure he don't have a whole lot of people riding with him anyway. I mean, if that was the case, then I know it'd be a safety precaution not to have it bolt down. But he probably can put one bolt in, but that's up to him, totally up to him. But the main thing is, obviously, you can get to that port. One more thing I'm going to say while I got you all on camera, while I got y'all attention. You know, it's hard to get y'all attention anywhere else, but when y'all watching the video, note this right here. I get a lot of comments of people saying, are you gonna come to this show? Are you gonna come to this show? Have you bought a t-shirt? Have you supported High Bass 601 other than just watching the video and hitting like? Ask yourself that question, because like, it's hard for me to go to these shows and work every day, Monday through Friday, and then have so many other things to do on the weekend. Car audio is just not my only hobby. I have a lot of other hobbies that I engaged in. So if you really truly want me at a show, like, it's simple. I mean, either you can simply buy a t-shirt and say, hey man, I want to purchase a t-shirt from you to kind of contribute, or I want to give you a donation to come to a show that I'm going to be at. I mean, I already know when people ask me to come to a show, they want to be featured on YouTube, which I don't have a problem with that. But the problem is, if you're going to ask me that question, you know, just make sure that you're willing to support me in return. I mean, that's all I'm asking for, just to represent me and my name and what I'm contributing to you all, what I'm contributing to the channel. Help support me every step of the way. That's all I ask. But today is Saturday, like I said, and we're gonna wait till Sunday to bring you some bass footage, and hopefully I get a chance to post that footage Sunday night. So stay tuned. High Bass 601 will be getting back with you in a few minutes. Like I said, done. Next video coming up.